SDC President Holiram Terang resigns from party, joins Liberal Democratic Party. Former MLA and CM demands immediate sacking of North Cachar Hills Autonomous Council CM. Public furor over fuel adulteration at a fuel station in Domuka. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansipi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. In a major political development in the Hill District, veteran political leader of Karbi Anglong and former Assam Minister Holiram Terang has resigned as President of Autonomous State Demand Committee to join Liberal Democratic Party. The significant move came after LDP State President Guna Gogoi invited him to become the party's state chairman. Three times MLA from Baithalangso Legislative Assembly constituency, Holiram Terang has been active in the politics of the Hill districts of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao since the days of the Assam agitation and has been associated with many democratic movements in Assam. Terang has said that he had joined the LDP for the greater interest of the Hills people. He also stressed on the need of strong non-BJP and non-Congress forces to come together and provide a regional alternative to the people.
LDP নেতৃত্ব ন এতিয়া হলে সকলোৰে কাৰণে এটো ভাল হ'ব আৰু এই কথাত ASDC এ ৰাজি হৈছে গতি এই নীতিত আমি এটা ভাবো যে LDP এ এই নীতিৰ ভিত্তিত ৰাইজৰ প্ৰকৃত উন্নয়নৰ স্বাৰ্থত কাম কাজ কৰি যাব আমি হেতু ভাল পাইছো আৰু ASDC এ এই LDP ৰ এনে ধৰণৰ চিন্তাধাৰাক আদৰণি জনাইছে তেনেকুৱা এটা সময়তে আমি ভাবিছো যে কাৰ্বি আংলং উত্তৰ কাছাৰ পাহাৰৰ যি পাহাৰীয়া জনগোষ্ঠী সকল আছে যি পিছপৰ জনগোষ্ঠী আছে এই জনগোষ্ঠীৰ আন্দোলনবোৰ এই কথাবিলাক এই স্বাৰ্থবিলাক পূৰণ কৰাৰ কাৰণে আমি আমাৰ কাম কাজৰ পৰিসৰ আমি বহলাব লাগিব
Guna Gogoi had expressed his joy on the joining of Holiram Terang and said that his joining in the party would take us several steps ahead in realizing our vision of a new Assam. It may be mentioned that Holiram Terang has been associated with a political fight for an autonomous state in the Hill districts for the last 35 years, and it is expected that movement would continue even after one of district's leading political figure has quit local regional party. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Ex-MLA and CM Samarjit Haflongbar has demanded the Assam governor and Assam government to immediately sack present CM Debolal Gorlosa and appoint a new person to replace him. Our correspondent has sent this report. The demand from Haflongbar comes in the midst of growing demand for his dismissal following Guwahati High Court's order for trial against Gorlosa and 5 other accused in the lower court in connection with killing of former executive member Nindu Langthasa and former CM Purnendu Langthasa in June 2007, saying that a person with criminal charges should not lead the district. Haflongbar had also questioned on whether other members of Autonomous Council are also eligible to lead the council.
Jua 5 tarike Chief Executive Member Debolal Gorlosa সংবাদ মেলত নিজেই স্বীকাৰ কৰি কৈছে তেওঁ যে আমাৰ সংগঠনে নিন্দু পুনিন্দু হত্যা কৰা হৈছিল তাৰ পিছতো সৰকাৰ আমাৰ ৰাজ্যপাল আজিলৈকে তাৰ ওপৰত কোনো একশন নহল কাৰণে ডিমাছবাসীয়ে আমি ৰাইজে চিন্তিত কৰিছো কাৰণ সৰকাৰৰ যেটো এপিডেপিট আৰু সৰকাৰৰ যেটো চাৰ্জশিট that section 121 or 121A এই ধাৰা মতে দেশদ্ৰোহী ধাৰা এটো গতিকে এজন দেশদ্ৰোহী মানুহ এটো মই কোৱা নাই সৰকাৰৰ এপিডেপিট মতে তেওঁ এজন দেশদ্ৰোহী মানুহক সংবিধানিক পদত ৰাখাটো আমাৰ কাৰণে উচিত নহয়
After receiving the prosecution sanction from State Home Department, a charge sheet against Gorlosa and others under Section 121 and 121A of IPC for waging war against the nation has also been submitted by the government before the Session Judge of Haflong. Suraj Barman from Haflong, Karbi Anglong Live. In another news from Dima Hasao, as many as 13 vehicles including two-wheelers were seized by the Dima Hasao police on the second day of the 2 weeks lockdown on Tuesday, collecting a total fine of Rs 12,500 on a single day from the lockdown violators. This came into force after an order was issued by the Deputy Commissioner cum Chairman of DDMA, Dima Hasao, Paul Bora, clearly stating the guidelines of activities exempted and prohibited during the lockdown till 19 July. After coming of the order into effect, all public and private vehicles are prohibited from plying on road unless approved by the district administration on emergencies. The police on Wednesday collected over Rs 13,000 from vehicle owners and around Rs 1,500 were collected from people stepping out of homes without wearing masks.
কিন্তু আপোনাৰ ৰিপিটেড যদি তেওঁ সেইটো অপৰাধ কৰি থাকে বাৰে বাৰে কৰাৰ পাছতো তেতিয়াহ'লে এইটো 1,000 ফাইন COVID-19 ৰিলেটেড আপোনাৰ লকডাউন হৈ আছেতো এই লকডাউনৰ যিখিনি ৰোডখিনি ভাইলেট কৰিছে তেওঁলোকে উইদাউট পাছ কিছুমানে গাড়ী চলাইছে কিছুমানে মটৰচাইকেল লৈ আহিছে কিছুমান মানুহে আপোনাৰ মাস্ক নোহোৱাকৈ আহিছে বাৰম্বাৰ আমি ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কৰাৰ পাছতে যিবিলাকৰ আপোনাৰ মাস্ক নাই যিবিলাকে আপোনাৰ গাড়ীৰ পাছ নোহোৱাকৈ লৈছে সেইখিনি গাড়ী আমি ফাইন কৰি আছোঁ।
The district administration also released a list with names of grocery shops at Haflong town that will operate on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays during the 2 weeks lockdown. The authority is also preparing inclusion of more number of shops from suburban locality for convenience of the people and to avoid gathering at the market. Same is also been worked out for the various other places within the district. Suraj Barman from Haflong, Karbi Anglong Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news. MS Phangcho Stationery. Humri Damra Langdamikha. Labang Sua Kuladalo, Nanglitum Kerang Sora Hormuan, Long Iji. Lake, Asonason Kecho Hormu. Nangli Hemarlo, Kapang Jangjia Pan, Kenang Sora Hormu, Lapen, Kapre Kapreka Son, Nanglitum Lopon Iji. Humri Damlote, Nanglitum Tegi Longji. Lasi, Humri Damikha, Phangcho Stationery. Ka Humri Damnang Jadim Lake, Rongkhilan, Dipu Manja Road, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Adu, Dipu, Karbi Anglong. Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. In a latest incident, a fuel station in Dongmokak was accused of providing adulterated fuel. A huge public furor was witnessed after several vehicles broke down in the town. Our correspondent has sent this report. The matter came to light when the engine of a Tata Mobile truck broke down at a few kilometers distance after filling oil. Following this, several public of the area assembled at the fuel station and demanded clarification from the manager.
Gari to beya hoy gol kisumando diesel lom boli kheti kora season hoy ei kheti kora homoyte he ইয়াত বিউটি মালিক এটা তার ফায়দা উঠাবৰ কাৰণে ডিজেল জাগাত পানী দিয়া হৈ গ'ল সেইকাৰণে আমি পুৰা প্ৰমাণ পাইছোঁ ইয়াত টোটেলি আমি ইয়াত বন্ধ কৰিব লাগিব আৰু আজিৰ পৰা দকমুকা বিউচি ইয়াত চলিব নিদি আৰু বন্ধ কৰা হ'ব আমি পিনি বাংকে নিতুনটা মানে পাব্লিক হৈ পেচিংবা এটা ল লপেন কে ফটো মেলা চিংবা ল লসি পিনি আংকে নিতুন মানে ইনি চিখাও নে পিনি আংকে বানাং ল লসি nonda nali tumta approve ka dilong ko amu eta na tu amu nonda la ta approve yo ta to pura lang de lang lo la jini tu suni na ta do la pen ni tu mission alam se ba manager na mo pe ni tu approve solution permanent solution na nang hin pe ni no putan na ta kiren te kore.
Following public anger and demand, the manager revealed that there was underground water leakage connected to one of the dispensing unit. The manager later submitted a written representation to the local magistrate and has sought 2 days' time to set the things right.
Rajya list dise. Chalo khaba. Pam to chalu thakibo eta. Pam to thekete chalu koribole dise time. Tamane aji khali ha e COVID-19 karone medical karone etu government gadi karone eta unit chalu koribole. আজি ভিতৰতে খালি কৰিব আজি 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 চেষ্টা কৰিম আজি ভিতৰতে নাই তো কালি মানে আজি কৰিব চেষ্টা আজি হ'ব গাড়ী আহি আছে
Samsung Ingti from Dongmokak, Karbi Anglong Live. In a major success for security agencies, 4 persons were arrested after 64 kg of ganja was seized from an auto rickshaw at Rongplimplam under the Delhi police station on Wednesday afternoon. The narcotic substances were seized in a check following information from security agencies. The 4 persons arrested in this connection, including 3 women and 1 man, and have been identified as Geeta Devi, Munni Mahato, Anita Roy, and Robin Das, as police informed.
Sunday Bazaar. Kod lo jab logislo kini? Kod ni bolislo? Kini kiman dapat beki hobo?
Ami hajira hisab taisi.
Ki kolo?
Hajira hisab taisi na kobo na.
Kone disile kini? Kon? Raju.
Rajiv.
Kore Rajiv. Namajan?
Further, in this connection, a case was registered under Delhi police station under 21/20 under section 20C/29 of NDPS Act. All of the arrested were forwarded to special court in Diphu, Karbi Anglong, informed by the police. Bijoy Rongpi reporting from Delhi, Karbi Anglong Live. Bijoy Rongpi of Rongchihon village under Tarabasa has sought assistance of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Tuliram Ronghang for treatment of his kidney ailment. 45 years old Bijoy from Tarabasa has been suffering from kidney stone for more than a year. Before that, he was also suffering from piles. According to his family members, Bijoy spent all of his money while undergoing the treatment of piles in Catholic Hospital Diphu.
Doctor adawai la nikep ne phan la dak Diphu civil hospital long sin doctor ke thin to lo nikep phan dawai chulo me me da akonon injection ka dawe nang lo tun chulo la ta kini ang ring ave ang thek ave amasi kisu ke bari nili aphyong bat ong la sonong taxi the kolo.
The patient has run out of money and has no other source or strength to earn money required needed for his other ailment. On hearing of CM's Noble Heart for the sick and ailing people, the family members has sought financial assistance of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Tuliram Ronghang as well as local MEC of Phuluni Dorseng Ronghang for his further treatment. Bikram Kro reporting for Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.